Step inside any leading automobile, textile, or other large company in China, and you are likely to find an automation platform made by German company Lens. Entering China in 1997, they say they are very concerned about the stability, fairness, and openness of policies.
As foreign investors, we want to make sure there are laws and regulations for foreign companies to follow and to protect their rights on a legal basis.
The foreign investment law takes effect on January 1st. It addresses some of the core concerns of foreign companies operating in China, including complaints about forced technology transfers and lack of intellectual property protection. As a key supplier of drive and automation solutions, Lens relocated its Asian Research and Development Center to Shanghai in 2019.
IP protection is one of the biggest worries among foreign firms in China. They are afraid that their technologies may be stolen or copied. The new law will protect it on a legal level. It is very detailed and comprehensive. I think it will reduce foreign firms' worries to some degree and boost their confidence and hopes for doing business here.
The new law places great emphasis on equal national treatment of foreign investment, putting foreign investors on a more level playing field with domestic investors and giving them equal protection.
Also on the market access barrier, we have seen in the past year that the China authorities, they try to lower it, and a big job was done. But on the other hand, there are many indirect barriers when companies arrive doing business on the territory. We hope that it will help to boost the equal treatment between Chinese and European companies.
Foreign investors say ensuring the consistency of the new law's enforcement on different levels is as important as passing the law itself. The implementation of the foreign investment law is considered a milestone of China's opening up. Authorities hope it will create a more stable, transparent, and fair business environment for foreign companies. Lin Nan, CGTN, Shanghai.
At this year's National People's Congress, Beijing hopes a new legislation could help attract even more foreign capital. The Foreign Investment Law, for the first time, uses a negative list for market access to replace an investment catalog. What that means is, except the prohibited and restricted industries on that list, such as news media and certain utilities, foreign investors will receive the so-called national treatment, meaning they can invest in all other sectors subject to the same laws regulating domestic Chinese firms and can compete equally for Chinese government contracts. One caveat, though, the products must be made in China. The law also explicitly bans forced transfer of technology and protects the intellectual property of foreign firms, though it says China welcomes the voluntary technology cooperation between Chinese and foreign firms based on mutual benefits. Addressing concerns about poor implementation, the new legislation requires local governments to abide by the law in letter and in spirit. Some might suspect this law is an expedient measure to silence critics in Trump's White House. Fact is, Chinese lawmakers first proposed these changes in a draft law written 2 years before Trump took office, and the reforms have already been test run in around a dozen pilot areas across the country.